Good morning, students. So today topic is vernier caliper. In our daily life, we use meter scale for measuring length. They are calibrated in centimeter and millimeter. So centimeter and millimeter levels. This largest is the smallest scale is called least count. The smallest length which can measure the meter scale is called least count. That is the smallest value. Least count. Least count value. Usually the least count of the scale is 1 mm. 1 mm value. We can use the length of the object up to 1 mm accuracy with this scale. By using the vernier caliper, we can use the accuracy of 0.1 mm. And with the screw gauge can be used, the accuracy is 0.01 mm. Is another one topic. Now the descriptions of the vernier caliper. Vernier caliper consisting of a thin long steel scale graduated in centimeter and millimeter called main scale. So this is the main scale reading. To the left end of the main scale and upper end and the lower jaws, they fix the perpendicular to the bar. So this is the outside jaw and this is the inside jaws. That means the upper and lower jaws are the perpendicular to the points. These are named as fixed jaws. The two right of the fixed jaws are slider with an upper and lower movable jaw is fixed. The slider can be moved or fixed to any position using a screw. A vernier scale are marked in the slider and moves along with the movable jaws on the slider. So this is a movable slide, front and backward directions. The vernier scale marks the sliders are moved along the movable jaws and the slider. The lower jaws are used to measure the external dimensions. So lower jaws is into the external dimensions and the upper jaws are used to measure the internal dimensions of the object. The thin bar attached to the right side of the vernier scale used to measure the depth of the hollow object. So depth of the hollow object. Now the usage of the vernier caliper. The first step of the using the vernier caliper to find out the least count, range and zero error. So these three parts is using for least count and range and zero error. So these three parts are using the vernier caliper. The first noted as the least count formula. So the least count values measuring a particular formula is least count. The value is equal to value of one smallest main scale division one the value of one smallest main scale divisions divided by total number of the Vernier scale division. So this is the formula for the least count. Now the main scale divisions will be the centimeter, further divided into millimeter values. The main scale value is smallest main scale divisions is 1 mm. Vernier scale divisions is smallest value is 1 mm. It is a Vernier scale divisions will be 10. So the Vernier scale division is 10 divisions is there. So LC, that means least count value. The least count LC is equal to 1 mm divided by 10 counting. So the 0.1 mm or 0.01 centimeter. The value is measured. So this is the least count value. The putting the particular formulas and using the values. And the next one is here zero error. The part 2 is zero error. The unscrew the slider to move its two of the left side, the both jaw touch each other. Now check whether the zero marking of main scale coincide with the zero of the Vernier scale division. So now putting this two values, that means positive zero error and another one is negative zero error. Consider as so now the value is 0, 1, 2. Now the 0 is this point and the second one is this 5, 10. So this is point is noted as a joining the straight line. Now the positive zero error, the Vernier scale is fitted to the right side of the 0 and the main scale. In this case of the reading will be more than the actual reading. Hence this error should be corrected. In order to correct this error, find out the Vernier's divisions. This is the Vernier division. Coincide with any other of the main scale divisions. Here, fifth Vernier divisions in the coincide. That means a fifth value is added to the coincide of the main scale divisions. So the positive values of error plus 5 in the least count is equal to plus 5 in the 0.01 is equal to 0.05 centimeter and the zero correction is negative. So zero error is positive. At the same time, zero correction is negative. Okay. So positive zero error, the final value is correction is negative. Negative zero error, the correction is positive. Now The zero correction is the zero negative zero error noted as so negative zero error. Zero error using this formula. Now the points is so there is a main scale, and this is a vernier scale. So main scale. Now the point is 0 and 0, 1, 5, 2, 10. So this is a left side of the points. The zero error is vernier scale is moving to the left side of the corner. So the value is the main scale reading of the right side. So that the output in the reading will be less than the actual reading. To correct the error, we should first find which the vernier divisions coincide with the any one of the main scale division. The noted as the main scale as well as the vernier scale divisions. Now using we can any see the main scale divisions. We find out the previous case. In this case, you see the sixth line of the coincide. To find the negative error, we can back the count of the 10 where the fourth line of the coincide. Okay, so this is the fourth line of the coincide because it was coming to the 1 point is the left side. Therefore, the negative zero error minus 4 into 0.01. It means a least count. So minus 0.04 centimeter. So the zero correction is positive. So zero correction is plus 0.04 centimeter. So this is the zero error measurements, and we will getting the point is positive zero error as well as the negative zero error, and the vernier scale measurements of the lowest value of upper and lower jaws using the spear and the rod and some things rings. We will measuring the diameter of the value. Okay, thank you.